Sir, around 113 khalasis, they were engaged in two FCI FST depots of Umri, Jaipur and Raigada FCI since the last 30 years. Sir, these are very poor people who have been on daily payment basis and they've been getting around 675 rupees. But FCI has unilaterally taken a decision to transfer these poor khalasis from Raigada and Umri, Jaipur to 600 kilometers distance place, Balijori in Jharsuguda district. Sir, these are very poor people. They are Adivasis, most of them are women, and around 30 years they spend their life in this particular area. They are from undivided Koraput district. Now, if you send them to Jharsuguda, which is 600 kilometers away, it's very difficult for them to sustain their life. They used to live in government land and they used to build hut there. They are not getting any room allowance. These persons, they have gone to High Court also. They filed a writ petition, but FCI is not listening to anybody and they passed an order in February itself to transfer all these people to Jharsuguda. Sir, I would like to request through you to the Government of India, Ministry of Food and Consumer Affairs Public Distribution to immediately cancel the orders, prevent this injustice and make sure that justice is provided to the poor Adivasis, the khalasis who've been transferred to Jharsuguda and they can't live in such a distant place. Thank you, sir.